fantastic to be back at Glee at the NEC in such a fine shape, so well attended, brilliant. Yeah, we've so much missed the last 2 years.
It's amazing to be back at Glee. We've obviously all been stuck inside for a long time, so it's great to get back out. I'm very busy. I kind of didn't know what to expect. First day was mental, second day was mental, third day's mental again, so yeah, fantastic.
Coming to Glee has been really good. You get to meet people face to face and learn more about the business and kind of meet people hand-on. It gives you a better idea of who they are.
Our buyers and visitors are really excited to come back to Glee, and we're excited to see them. And again, you know, there's only so much you can do over a telephone, but actually to sit down face to face is a great opportunity so they get hands-on with the products, see the innovation, and really this is the best platform at Glee to do that.